வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 ஜியோகிரஃபி யூனிட் 2 globe lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the shape of the earth is dash. Option A square, option B rectangle, option C geoid, option D circle. Here the correct answer is option C geoid. Second one, the north pole is dash. Option A 90° north latitude, option B 90° south latitude, option C 90° west longitude, option D 90° east longitude. Here the answer is option A 90° north latitude. Third one, the area found between 0° and 180° east lines of longitude is called option A southern hemisphere, option B western hemisphere, option C northern hemisphere, option D eastern hemisphere. Here the correct answer is option D eastern hemisphere. Fourth one, the 22.5° north line of latitude is called dash. Option A Tropic of Capricorn, option B Tropic of Cancer, option C Arctic Circle, option D Antarctic Circle. So here the correct answer is option B Tropic of Cancer. Fifth one, 180° line of longitude is dash. Option A equator, option B international dateline, option C prime meridian, option D north pole. Here the correct answer is option B international dateline. Sixth one, the sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at option A 12 midnight, option B 12 noon, option C 1 pm, option D 11 am. Here the correct answer is option B 12 noon. Seventh one, a day as dash. Option A 1240 minutes, option B 1340 minutes, option C 1440 minutes, option D 1140 minutes. Here the correct answer is option C 1440 minutes. Eighth one, which of the following lines of longitude is considered for the Indian Standard Time? Option A 82.5° east, option B 82.5° west, option C 81.5° east, option D 81.5° west. Here the correct answer is option A 82.5° east. Ninth one, the total number of lines of latitude are option A 171, option B 161, option C 181, option D 191. Here the correct answer is option C 181. Tenth one, the total number of lines of longitude are option A 370, option B 380, option C 360, option D 390. Here the correct answer is option C 360. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the line of latitude which is known as the Great Circle is dash. The answer is equator. Second one, the imaginary lines drawn horizontally on earth from the west to east are called dash. The answer is parallels of latitude. Third one, the 90° lines of latitude on the earth are called dash. The answer is North Pole and South Pole. Fourth one, the prime meridian is also called dash. The answer is Greenwich meridian. Fifth one, the world is divided into dash time zones. The answer is 24. Third Roman letter, circle the odd one. First one, North Pole, South Pole, equator, international dateline. So here the odd one is international dateline. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, equator, prime meridian. So here the odd one is prime meridian. Third one, torrid zone, time zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. So here the odd one is time zone. Fourth one, Royal Astronomical Observatory, prime meridian, Greenwich meridian, international dateline. So here the odd one is international dateline. Fifth one, 10 degree north, 20 degree south, 30 degree north, 40 degree west. Here the odd one is 40 degree west. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, 0 degree line of latitude, equator. 0 degree line of longitude, Greenwich. 180 degree line of longitude, international dateline. 90 degree line of latitude, pole. Fifth Roman letter, examine the following statements. Statement 1, the earth is spherical in shape. Statement 2, the shape of the earth is called geoid. Statement 3, the earth is flat. Look at the options given below and choose the correct answer. Option A, 1 and 3 are correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C, 1 and 2 are correct. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So here the correct answer is option C, 1 and 2 are correct. That is, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Sixth Roman letter, examine the following statements. Statement 1, the lines of latitude on earth are used to find the location of a place and define the heat zones on earth. Statement 2, the lines of longitudes on earth are used to find the location of a place and to calculate tan. Choose the correct option. Option A, statement 1 is correct, 2 is wrong. Option B, statement 1 is wrong, 2 is correct. Option C, both the statements are correct. Option D, both the statements are wrong. So here the correct answer is option C, both the statements are correct. Seventh Roman letter, name the following. First one, the imaginary lines drawn horizontally on earth. Answer is latitudes. Second one, the imaginary lines drawn vertically on earth. The answer is longitudes. Third one, the three-dimensional model of the earth. The answer is globe. Fourth one, India is located in this hemisphere based on lines of longitude. The answer is eastern hemisphere. Fifth one, the network of lines of latitude and longitude. The answer is earth grid. Eighth Roman letter, answer briefly. First question, what is a geoid? Second question, what is local tan? Question number 3, how many times would the sun pass over a line of longitude? Question number 4, what are lines of latitude and longitude? Question number 5, name the 4 hemispheres of the earth. Ninth Roman letter, give reasons. First one, the 0 degree line of longitude is called the Greenwich meridian. Second one, the regions on earth between north and south lines of latitude 66.5 degree and poles 90 degree is called frigid zone. Question number 3, the international date line runs zigzag. 10th Roman letter, answer in detail. Question number 1, what are the uses of globe? Question number 2, how are the hemispheres divided on the basis of lines of latitude and longitude. Explain with diagrams. Third one, what are the significant lines of latitude? Explain the zones found between them. So the answer is, the significant lines of latitude are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. And then you should explain about the zones of the earth. Fourth one, explain Indian Standard Time. In text question, that is the activity given in the lesson. First one, what is the difference in time between the GMT and IST? Second one, if it is 5 a.m. at New York City, USA, what would be the time at New Delhi, the capital of India? Third one, if it is 12 midnight at London, what would be the time in India? Fourth one, the standard time of Sydney City in Australia is found to be at a difference of dash hours from that of the GMT. Next question. Mr. Sendamil travels by flight from Chennai to London. He boarded the aeroplane at 9 a.m. After 12 hours of travel, at what time, that is GMT, would we have reached London? Next one. Based on the longitudinal extent in which hemisphere is our country located?
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.